Okay, so we're going to take a look at number 2 now. And we're again calculating the mean, median, and mode. Part A gives me the numbers -2 plus the square root of 7, square root 7, and so on. The first thing I did was I put my numbers in order. So my smallest number is -4 plus the square root of 7. And my biggest number is 5 plus the square root of 7. And I have 2 copies of 3 plus the square root of 7. So that's the mode. That's the number that occurs the most often. To find the mean, I need to add all my numbers up and divide by 6 because there's 6 of them. So it's kind of like algebra. We're going to collect our like terms. We have a -4 plus a -2 plus a 3 plus a 3 plus a 5. That all came out to be 5. And then I have 1 square root of 7, a second square root of 7, a third square root of 7, a fourth square root of 7, whoops, a fifth square root of 7, and a sixth square root of 7. So I have 6 square roots of 7. And so I'm doing 5 plus 6 square roots of 7 divided by 6. So I have 5, 6, and then 6 square root 7 divided by 6, 6 square root 7. And then the median, well, we can get rid of our smallest number and our biggest number, second smallest and second biggest. So we have 2 middle numbers. We have the square root of 7, and we have 3 plus the square root of 7. So when we add this together, we have 3 plus 2 square root 7 over 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. And 2 square root 7 divided by 2 is the square root of 7. So that was part A. Any questions on A? For part B, our numbers are -2 pi, 4 pi, 0, 6 pi, 10 pi, and 4 pi. So I started by putting them in order. And I noticed right away that I have 2 numbers that are both 4 pi, and that's the number that occurs the most often, so that's the mode. To find the mean, I added up all my numbers, and it added up to give me 22 pi, and I need to divide that by 6 because there's 6 numbers, and I could reduce that and get 11 pi over 3. Does that sound okay? Next, I need to find the median, so I'm looking for the middle number or numbers, and there's 2 middle numbers. They're both 4 pi, so when I average those 2 numbers, I just get 4 pi. And then for part C, I have numbers that are all decimals that have 0.37 as their decimal. So the first thing I did was I put them in order, and I noticed that 2 of my data values are 5.37, and that's the most frequent data point, so that's the mode. To find the mean, I needed to add up all my numbers and divide by 6 because there's 6 numbers. So I came up with 39.22 divided by 6, which is 6.536 repeating. And then to get the median, I was looking for the middle number or numbers. So I see there are 2 middle numbers. So I'm going to add them together and divide by 2. And that gives me 6.37. Any questions on that one?